I wanted to talk about preparedness for storms, for home emergencies, different disasters that could occur. First off, I was looking online earlier today and found a great document from FEMA. And FEMA has very extensive checklists, including videos, that go into great detail about some of these issues. I'm going to hit a few of the high points very quickly, but this might be a great resource if you wanted more information. So first off, going to start with fire emergencies. And pretty fundamentally, I think everyone knows that they should keep fresh batteries in their smoke detectors and check them periodically. Great idea to have some fire extinguishers in your home. Here in Frisco, we have a wonderful resource right by downtown Frisco called Safety Town. It would be a great learning and teaching experience for younger children. I know in our home, we have a second floor window in our daughter's bedroom, and we've got a ladder that drapes over the windowsill. And then we also talked about, again, if something like this is happening, our master bedroom is on another side of the home. So we have a meeting place that's already pre-designated, and we have a long storm season in North Texas. So when the sirens go off, that is probably too late to prepare. But there are things that we can be doing in advance of sirens going off that can really make a huge difference to the safety of our family. You hear that there is a watch. That is a warning period to prepare for the possibility of a bigger storm event. If you have a warning, then that means that the threat is imminent, and you may have a few minutes to get ready and to find the safest place in your home. So identifying that in advance. Perhaps it's under the stair closet, or it could be a central bathroom, or away from windows with as many exterior walls between you and this designated safe room as possible. Then what do you want to have already in that safe room? Well, you would hope that a storm would pass over and you'd just be walking out of the safe room a few minutes later. But in the event that something were to go wrong, perhaps a phone charger in there, or to have extra batteries, to have some water, to have some arrangements if you have dogs or cats or other pets, some toys for your children. So again, you're going to be rewarded by taking an extra step, taking some time to prepare and anticipate what could happen and how you can be best prepared to deal with the issues related to water or fire or storms.